Hello guys, good morning. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all safe. So today we are traveling to Dharmasthala, starting from Bangalore. So time is around 6:54. Yeah, I started a bit late. Couldn't start early. Hopefully, I will cover as much as video possible. I'll show you what are the important places where all you can stop for the pit breaks. Let's see. I'll see what all I could cover for you guys. Chalo, take care. We'll catch up soon.
So I'm taking the Nelmangla Hassan Sakleshpura route this time.
Hello guys, I've stopped for a quick break. This is on the Kunigal Highway.
Head southwest on National Highway 75.
Yeah, so I just stopped near this toll gate. I thought I'll have a quick tea and then continue. I would suggest you guys to start early on this stretch if at all you're planning to Dharmasthala or this way, because there will be a lot of traffic initially until you cross the city. Probably you should start before at least 5:35 so that you can touch the highway soon and reach your destination soon as well. Weather is great. Weather has it was slightly drizzling. Weather is cold, breezy. Really the kind of weather I like. Okay, let's catch up soon once I reach the hotel there. Yeah, great. There are plenty of hotels on this way, and this is one of it, Dhruvatare. I've tasted it had food here a couple of times, and the taste is really good. Also, there's one called Pakashala, which is probably around 4-5 kilometers earlier to this, and that is good. But I regularly go to Mayura because it's been there for quite long, even before these hotels came in. And quite a lot of bikers also come there. And if you watch Food Lovers TV, even Kapala Manna has reviewed it. The taste is really good, the quality is really good, and also there's a lot of space, a small park as well. Okay, probably next time when you come down this way, you can probably try that. I'll show you once I reach there. Yeah, so this is the hotel which I was speaking about. It's Hotel Mayura. Earlier it used to be the KSTTC run hotel. I think now it's private run as hotel. Oh, there used to be a park here, but I think they have removed it now. There's some construction going on.
So I had just stopped at this Osur Hotel, which is just at the beginning of, just before Sakleshpur actually. So we had just entered Sakleshpura town. At Osur Hotel, only the parcel was open or the takeaway was open. Dining was not yet open. So we thought we'll just look further. And also there was another hotel a bit further. We stopped there for quick refreshment.
So alongside the road there has been a stream flowing. Just looking for a right spot to stop and shoot a bit. The weather has been amazing. It's still not drizzling. It's all green around. Just look at this. Isn't this amazing?
So this is the deviation which you shouldn't miss. You'll have to take a right turn from there, or else I think it further goes to Ujre is what I assume.
this is the
To reach Dharmasthala, as you head towards the circle, you will find an arch on the left side. So you'll have to go under that arch. So from there, it would be around. So if you take a right from the circle, it will go to the Netravati river. So from the circle, the temple is around hardly around quarter kilometer. It's on the right side. On the left side, you will see the parking. You can park your vehicle there if at all you come by the vehicle, or else it's this is the usual bus stop where you can get on from the bus and walk from here. So the temple darshan is usually open till 8 o'clock. I think they close at 11:30 in the afternoon and open again at 2:30 if I'm not wrong. So if you come from the parking, the entrance is right opposite to you. At a walk straight up to the entrance. So there are special darshan tickets also available. If at all you are in a hurry, you don't want to stand in the queue, avoid the crowd, probably you can go for the special darshan as well. And as I'm going to inquire now, I'll give you more details once I get to know that. And also yes, the infants are not allowed. So in the morning we had visited the Bahubali statue, which is just after the circle. If we take a right, again it would be around quarter kilometer. We'll have to climb up the hill. The vehicles are allowed there. You should definitely visit once. It's worth a visit there. So after that, once you cross the temple, if you go further, once you take a left turn at the dead end, you will find this elephant shed also, where there are two big elephants and one baby elephant which is named Shivani. After visiting the elephant shed, we went to this Manjusha car museum. They have a lot of vintage cars, which has been collected here. One of them is also used by Mahatma Gandhi ji, and one which is gifted by our cine star Vishnuvardhan from the Kannada industry. And just behind that is their workshop where they get the vehicles ready, and all the vehicles here are at running condition. After visiting the Manjusha Car Museum, we had been to Netravati River. But I would suggest, in case you are visiting Netravati River during this pandemic, I would suggest you to avoid it. So after visiting all these places, we headed back, but we thought we'll visit Mysore while going back home, and we took the Madikeri route. And on the way, we saw this small waterfall, and also the since it was drizzling, and also it was during the evening, it was all foggy and it was very scenic. These are a couple of shots which I had taken there. So I would make another video of the Mysore visit. So until then, keep watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you.